Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create an e-card on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account on Evite. So on the home page, just click on this section here that shows invitation, and then click on the e-cards. Now this would help us to change all our cards, all our designs to the e-card. So I've searched for the birthday templates, and we'll get to see all the birthday templates for the e-card section. Good. So this is an e-card, an electronic card. So now we can edit them, and so let's assume we want to edit this. I can just click on the right click on it and open it in a different page, and it should appear this way. So once it's fully set up, you can edit the designs here. You can select a different design from the design gallery. You can add reviews and effects. Remember, this is a premium. You can see it's a premium template, so all of this would require a subscription or payments, and there are also free ones to choose from. So you can go and select any of these design gallery options that speak to you. Now, and once you are done, you can click add an e-gift card if that is an optional choice for you. And once you're done, you'll be able to add send it to whomever you want to send it to, and continue with the prompt. So this is actually how to send e-cards, design and send e-cards on Evite. I'll see you guys in the next video. And also guys, if this video has been helpful to you in any way, please subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section.